we got another package. I believe it's from eBay or AliExpress. I ordered from AliExpress by accident, but it has useful things on there, so I'm gonna box it. Here you go, shipping label off. Looks like it's from AliExpress. Open it. It's coming in. There we go. I believe I need an extension cable for my sensor panel. So I ordered stuff like that. But I'm sure I'm not gonna probably need this at all. But it's useful. We'll keep it. It's very nice. I only paid like a few bucks. And it looks pretty well made. It's not like terrible at all. It's substantial. We'll hit a good review on that. Not everything is bad on AliExpress. You can get like screwdrivers and stuff for very cheap. It came in good condition. I believe it works. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching.